Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn German online with a certificate. First, select an online platform that offers comprehensive courses and recognized certifications. Familiarize yourself with the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, or CEFR, to understand the proficiency levels from A1 to C2. Setting specific, measurable goals will keep you motivated and on track throughout your learning journey. This structured approach ensures effective progress. When choosing a course, prioritize those explicitly designed to prepare you for official CEFR exams. Consistent daily practice is crucial. Dedicate time to speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Actively seek out opportunities to interact with native speakers through language exchange platforms or online communities. This immersive approach significantly accelerates your learning and builds confidence in real-world conversations. To earn a certificate, you'll need to pass an official exam, such as the Goethe-Zertifikat or TELC. Research the specific exam required for your desired proficiency level and understand its structure. Practicing with official sample tests is essential to familiarize yourself with the question types and time constraints. Consider enrolling in a dedicated exam preparation course to refine your skills and boost your chances of success. Beyond formal lessons, immerse yourself in German culture by watching films, listening to music, and reading news in German. This exposure enhances your vocabulary and comprehension naturally. For targeted improvement, virtual one-on-one tutoring can provide invaluable personalized feedback and address specific weaknesses. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.